Welcome to the new topic of electrical lighting layout. In this topic, we will learn how to design the electrical lighting layout for the residential building. For that, we required the architectural layout. In that architectural layout, we can see the living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, WC, etc. So this is the typical flat detail or the flat layout for the residential area. In this flat, we will design the electrical lighting. For that, we required a certain inputs. The inputs like lux level, lumens output. For the luminaires, we are going to put here the luminaires. So each luminaires has the different lumens output. To find out the lumens output, we need to find out first the lux level required for this typical flat. Each area like living room, kitchen, bedroom and the bathroom has the different lux level. So according to this area, we need to find out the which lux level is applicable to these different areas. For that, I will prepare the Excel sheet for the lux level calculation. First of all, I will mention the serial number, then the area of application, and the standard lux level for that particular area. So for serial number 1, if it is living room, the standard lux level for the living room is 200 LX. The unit of lux level is LX. For the bedroom, the standard lux level is also 200. Whereas the kitchen requires 150 LX. The next room is the bathroom. Bathroom area or the bathroom washroom requires 180 LX. And the WC area or the WC requires 200 LX. So these are some different LX or the lux level required for the same typical flat. So I will prepare first this list and then calculate the lumens output as per the lux level into the drawing. So this is lux level list. The lux level list I will extend by the passage because into this typical floor plate there is the passage is also available, as well as the staircase is there, lift is there. So multiple common area is available. So I will put the lux level of each and every area. So passage required 200 LX. Staircase required 150 LX. Into the lift, we require 250 LX. These are some standard lux level required for the residential area. So I have mentioned the living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom or washroom, WC, passage, staircase and lift, as well as the lift lobby. lift lobby required 200 LX. So as per this, I will mention first of all, save this list. So I have saved this list. Now I will calculate the lumens output as per this list. So to calculate the lumens output, this is the formula. Number of luminaires is equal to area of application into lux level value divided by MF, that is maintenance factor, UF, that is utilization factor, into lumens output. For example, if I am calculating the lumens output for this living room, I need to understand that I am putting only two numbers luminaires, that is the CFL or LED or any another unit required. If I am taking the example of living room, if I want to calculate the lumens output for this living room, I need to understand how much luminaires I am installing into the living room. For example, I wish to install the 2 CFL or the LED bulb into the living room. So the number of luminaires is equal to two numbers, area of application, that is the living room, into the living room. We need to find out the area of the living room, that is around 9 square meter. The living room area is around 9 square meter. Also, by calculating this area, like 2.4 into 3.75, that is 9 square meter. So according to this area, I will mention the 9 square meter over here, and the standard lux level which I have mentioned for the living room, that is 200 LX. So I will mention the 200 LX over here. What is the maintenance factor? Maintenance factor is the factor when we are maintaining that CFL or LED bulb year by year. So the standard maintenance factor we are taking here as a 0.7. What is UF? UF is the standard utilization factor we are taking is 0.6.